He wants it to go out. Andrew, you're gonna have to come with it if you're gonna actually make it go. It doesn't have that good. Where are you going?
I'm going downstairs.
You can't go with. No, you're not going down upstairs. We're downstairs.
No.
Put it on the floor.
No.
I can't drive if you're going onto it.
William, am I taking your picture?
No.
That's not a good spot for it.
He's gonna fall down.
No, guys. No.
Put it on the floor.
He's gonna drive on your head.
Copy.
Okay, let Daddy. Is Daddy gonna direct it?
Yeah.
Are you gonna direct it?
No, Mom, stop! Stop! No, stop!
Hard to get away when you can't turn and drive at the same time. Or
Are you
turn
going to
right.
drive it?
Wow, Dad! Turn right, Dad! Oh, ah! No! Stop! Uh-oh.
It's gonna run Mommy over.
I got shoes.
Did I get my shoes?
Uh-oh. Stop. No. Oh.
So what is that, William?
Yes.
William, what is it? I see. Where is your fire truck going?
Hose. Then a hose. A hose.
What? It's got a hose. Yes. What else does it have?
Ready.
Ladders. And what's on the top?
Hose. Hose. What's that? What's that?
What's this?
Right.
Lights.
Chain.
I think that might be the siren. You can say that's the siren. Sounds good to me.
Hey William,
Hose.
what's on top of your head? What's on top?
Candles.
Cheerios? There's no Cheerios on your head. You guys just ran Mommy over. No, there's no Cheerios on your
Stop
head.
for my ploy.
Stop! Mine!
You're driving now?
Uh-oh. Now I've got you.
Your poor fire truck's getting dizzy.
Try the other button.
Stop.
Very good. Ah!
Turn it around.
That's right. That button.
Yeah.
One at a time. You can't push both at the same time.
Yeah.
Oh, you'll get the hang of it. Say goodbye.
Bye.